Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use a LED strip to update the reading light of my Sprint van. Okay, let's get started. First, we remove the reading light assembly from my Sprinter Campervan. I'll use this very common LED strip light. It costs only $1 per meter. You can see this reading light uses a 18 watts conventional halogen bulb. I will use a LED light instead of it, which takes only 10% of the power consumption of the original one. We can use a household scissor to cut it. There is a mark on the LED strip. You can see there are 3 LED strips in one unit. We need 2 pieces of 2 units and 2 pieces of 1 unit. Then solder it in a square shape. We use a sandpaper to remove the oxide on the surface of the connect point and make it rougher. It will be easier to put the solder on it. We use a wire stripper to cut the wire into 8 small pieces, 4 long pieces and 4 short pieces. Then we use a knife to strip the wire. Press the knife. At the same time, rotate the wire with your fingers. Take care of your finger. If you are not confident to do it, you can strip it on a board. Before we solder the wire and the strip together, we do some preparation. We put some solder on the end of the wire and the connect point of the strip. It will be easier to connect them together. There is a mark on the 2 sides of the LED strip. One is negative and one is the positive. Align them according to the positive and the negative. So the inner circle is negative and the outer circle is positive. Then we solder the wire on the LED strip. After a hard working, you can see the final product. Now we put it into the reading light cap. Okay, it looks good. The final step is we use two female spade connectors to connect the LED light and the male connectors in the reading light assembly. Before we solder the wire and the connector, we always sand them and put some solder on them. So it will be easy to solder them together. Okay, it's done. The next, we solder the negative wire and the positive wire to the connect point of the LED light separately. Remember to use sandpaper to sand it before you put the solder on it. Otherwise, the surface of connect point will be too smooth. It will be too difficult to put the solder on it. Maybe you will find the female connector is too tight. You can use a screwdriver to make it bigger to fit the male connector in the reading light assembly. Take care of your finger. The edge of the male connector is a little bit sharp. Not too loose, not too tight. Remember, the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Now we use a 12-volt battery charger to test it. Okay, good. We come back to the campervan. To put back the new LED reading light assembly. Voila, perfect. If you like it, just do it and enjoy it. Bye bye.